Hello everybody and welcome back to this channel. Yeah, we're doing some more stuff from Rain Paris, also No Face. The user No Face said, yeah, nice video, do more of Rain. So yeah, we do, and it's the rock version from the song E.T. by Katy Perry, so let's get started. Oh, nice blue makeup, yeah. Really cool. Yeah, I like the sound, it's very cool. Right, this song fits so well in a rock kind of way. Yeah. She's amazing, yeah. And don't know, her crew or something else who made this rock version's really cool, yeah. Yeah, those high sounds, cracks in the voice, really cool. It's really cool. Yeah. Oh, it's really cool, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what can I say? It's a really nice rock cover of the song. And yeah, I love her rock covers. They are also very great. I think it would be so nice if she can scream or growl, but that's not a big point. So I love the rock version. So yeah, it was really nice. The makeup was cool. The song fits very well in the rock version. Yeah, I like it very much. Thanks for watching, and if you have some other song suggestions, please put it down in the comments below, and we see us next time. Bye.